So I'm gonna share with you another app that I use, and this is to give the vintage effect, or make your videos look like old, or that they were recorded with an old camera. And you'll see these options. We're gonna tap on import a video, and then we're gonna pick one of these videos. I'm gonna pick this one, and then tap on the right side and choose this video, and then you'll see the app. This is the way it looks, and we're gonna go from top to the bottom. You see it says display text. You can tap on yes or no, and this is the text that you see right here. If you say no, it's gonna remove it. As you can see, it's removed, and if we say yes, it went back. The next thing that I want to share with you is the effect. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 7 different effects. And the next one is resize. You can make your video square, landscape, or portrait. In this case, we're gonna do portrait mode because we want this for our Instagram stories. And then right here on the bottom, you can modify the effect. You can make it stronger or not too strong. So this is how it looks when you put all the effects all the way up, and this is how it looks when you put the effects all the way down. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Looks good to me. And then on the last option right here on the bottom, you can trim the video. You can make it 15 seconds because Instagram stories are 15 seconds long. And then once you're done with your editing right here, as you can see, it's very simple, easy to use. You're gonna tap on this symbol right here on the right top corner to save your project, and then it's gonna save it. You see this right here, wait until finishes, because if you don't wait and you save the video as it is, it's not gonna apply the effect to your video. You gotta wait until it finishes, and then you tap right here on the bottom and it'll be in your camera roll. So let's go there and take a look. So there you have it. At the end of this video, I'm gonna leave all the 7 effects. I'm gonna play a short video of each effect if you wanna see it. Thanks for your time, and if you wanna support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.